Yeah. That's funny coming from Ado because of his bot just spamming everything. Weak.
Alright, good morning everyone. Yen pairs are still flying, so I'm being a little bit careful about buying. Something's wrong here with my audio. But what else is new? Alright. Well, we didn't say anything, that's kinda strange.
Yeah, I was looking at the calendar.
No, usually it makes introduction into the day.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Yeah, that fucker is just riding off without me. I can't believe it.
Dex.
I can. Let's see, where is it going? Yep. Are you gonna stick it out to the previous high up there?
I haven't even the previous high. Do you mean the previous high? That's how far is that?
No, look at the 4 hour.
Oh, it's
25 pips.
25 pips, yeah. Actually, I had a different target. I called it yesterday, which is 63 from here.
Ooh.
It's 75. I cannot read it because a damn button in front of it. 75 108. But I think they're gonna be a major pullback first.
No. Yeah, that's probably where I'll buy in. Just gonna wait.
Pound Aussie. Cable. Gold. Pound Aussie. Nasdaq. Aussie dollar.
There we go. Here comes the pullback. It's about freaking time. I see the previous high. Alright. 803. That sounds reasonable. Yeah, I was really hoping for a structural retest, which didn't happen yet. About 3.5 pips off, that's pretty far for AUDJPY.
Aussie yen's like the back of your hand, huh?
Yeah, that's why I didn't buy very, very large, because I'm still expecting it to go there. I just hope it's gonna take like some time, then because time is in our advantage. If you make trend lines, because the longer it's take, the higher it will be. And guess what? The higher it will be, the lesser drawdown you're gonna have. Oh, there's so many private messages. Do I want to read them?
No. They're probably just like Ayrton and like a bunch of prop people.
Yeah, one is keep asking me to get his account back.
God damn.
Dollar yen.
I need to talk to that boy who's older than me by like 10 years.
Which is? Who is?
Ayrton. He seems to like me because I talk to him. You know, it's actually surprising. Like, I talked to him in voice chat, and he actually spoke to me, and he's so much better to talk to than type to. When he types, he just comes off like a complete retard. It's like weird. He's got like dyslexia. It's yeah, and he'll just keep spamming you. But when you're talking to him, he'll be respectful and be quiet and wait for you to reply and stuff. It's just super like. It's like his alter ego online is like super annoying. I don't know.
Aussie dollar.
I was like, okay, and a lot of the stuff he was saying actually made sense. I'm like, huh.
Okay, that's an insult right there.
Well, when he spams shit to me, it like he just goes on like random tangents while I don't know.
Bitcoin.
It's just like I come back to 80 messages, you know, and all these screenshots, and it's all random and inconsistent, and like, I think you get what I'm saying. It's not really an insult, just I was just surprised. Yeah, it was an insult, you got me.
Got no credit card fan, what the fuck? There we go, like I knew it's gonna go there.
Yeah. Alright, where do I want to get in? I'm gonna be really cheeky and wait for it to go down quite a bit more.
Dollar sing.
If not, I'll just wait for it to break out and then get in. Like on a pullback.
Yeah, that's supposed to be the pullback, but it's the Aussie dollar is pretty strong.
Yeah. We need some shitty news for the Aussie dollar, just real quick. Not that big, just...
Yeah, not too bad, just some nonsense. Like, oh, the world is gonna end. Oh, never mind. Something like that.
Trump, why are you tweeting things for Australia?
Pound or
Yeah. Trump puts out a tweet, we're gonna nuke Australia. He's like, oh my bad, I meant Austria. Hell yeah.
We buy the dips heavy and then, oh my bad. So
Fish, this dip was too much. The Aussie dollar's gone. Ah, fuck.
bankrupt a country with a single tweet. Welcome to the new world.
Fucking George Soros. Just Asia. I mean, if that's true.
So, it retested a structure, but it didn't test my support. Maybe my support is wrong.
Aussie dollar.
Because this was a perfect retest of structure just now. I show you, this is really good. I mean, this is like 2 to pip. I don't even need to make a trend line.
What's interesting to me is that we're sitting at that like 50 pip segment level exactly, and it's just consolidating there. Like I find that weird. And the 50 level is
Cable.
currently where price is 3 pips lower. Exactly. At least that round number. So that's where it keeps moving between. So probably 3 pips down. Kind of too late for that fucking one, huh?
That's what I'm actually waiting for.
Yeah, it's like right there. Yeah, same level. Coincidentally too, huh?
And it went there pretty quick. That's also. So there are a lot of buyers still. That's for sure.
Yeah, if we do get a breakout here, it should be pretty good.
For all we know. Simpson Rama.
Yeah.
Have you seen it?
I thought you said something else. Sorry, I just realized you didn't. Wait, what?
Simpson Rama. There was a crossover between Futurama and The Simpsons.
Oh, that's what I thought you said. Okay. Yeah, I was like, are you talking about Futurama? No, I haven't seen that episode.
That is really cool.
Or that.
Bender is traveling to the past, meet the Simpsons, to kill Homer.
Oh, now I'm, oh, there it is. Yeah. Oh, the Simpsons. It was on The Simpsons. That's why I never saw it. Because I've watched, like, all the Futurama, but this was hosted on The Simpsons.
Oh, they did? I don't know. I just have it as an extra.
Yeah. It's weird. So yeah, they did the crossover on The Simpsons, so that's why I never saw it. Well.
Take me to your civic leaders. Let's go to Moe's.
I guess, like, I'll probably aim for, like, 75 exactly, just to test that, like, round.
Holy shit! No, today's not my day.
Oh. But it is. It's the day of the webinar.
So I have to do some good trading.
Dollar index.
Ah, fuck. Doesn't make much sense that I'm drinking rum while I'm drinking coffee. I think that's why my brain is mush. Explain.
Don't worry.
Coffee.
Germans drink hot wine on Christmas, so whatever.
What the fuck? I just always find it funny that I'm like drinking something to like get my brain going, and then a depressive. I'm like, the fuck am I?
Yeah, you gotta drink Jägermeister.
That's a good point. I don't know, I just really like this Captain Morgan's rum. They have like this watermelon, because I'm just, you know, a girl, I need that fruity watermelon.
Holy shit, this is taking forever.
Here, Fish, I'm gonna send you a message, and I'm doing it so nobody here can... Very important. Hold on.
You're gonna send me a message. Should I be scared now? Where is it?
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to word this.
Fuck. Staring at Discord like a little child.
It looks like I can hear you guys again.
I can hear you.
Trying to think of a sneaky method. That's all I'm thinking.
Why you don't ask it just now, just like that?
I don't even know if you're live.
I am.
I don't know, I don't want people doing sneaky methods.
I'm too lazy to type, I'm just gonna answer it here. Pre-trials and enrollment has nothing to do with each other. That's at first.
Okay.
So if you do whatever pre-trials, then you do pre-trials. That's it. End of story. And if you enroll, you have to select a balance.
Okay. Okay, I thought what you had to do was put.
Fix in just under an hour's time.
I'll just wait.
Value on midpoint today set to be set at 706.04 according to Reuters.
I thought you had to put like money up front and then do the pre-trials, and if you fail the pre-trials, they just take your money.
No, pre-trials are free and they have no connection to the prop trading itself. This is just like a trial, like whatever. You just try it.
Like, that's what fucking goddamn it, Riz or Arwin's, he's the one who told me that. Okay, because I was like, I just like, so basically once you pass the pre-trials, it's just like a catalog where you just select what account you want.
You don't have to do the pre-trials at all. You just if you enroll, you have to trade 2 accounts, and that's not pre-trial. That's evaluation and verification. And if you do that,
on a demo though, right?
it's all demo. Even live trading is demo.
Yeah. And then, but you put your money up front, and then if you fail that somehow, they just take your money, right? That's how that.
It's not a fee. Yeah, it's 0.8% of the equity you're gonna trade, and if you fail, you cannot get it back. That's right. But if you do it again and you qualify after that, you get it back.
Okay. That's what I was wondering. I was like, I'm like, but you don't get, okay, the big thing for me, as you know, is not like going negative, it's meeting the deadline. And you said the disqualified is when...
Oh, you're not disqualified if you don't meet the target. Targets are not rules. Targets are not part of the rules.
Oh, so you can go again without worrying about the money you put in.
Exactly, yeah. If you don't meet the target, never mind. You just start over. Nobody cares. We just act like the first account never happened.
Alright, cool beans. That's better.
Actually, why 0.8% exactly? Is that a legal reason?
No, it's just a number.
Yeah, cool.
Welcome to the land if you can just do whatever. And people just agree.
Also
You're like, alright.
Well, it's a mixed calculation to answer the question properly. There is some major costs involved for the company as well. It has to be managed, and there are servers in the data center and whatnot. And this is supposed to cover part of these costs. But that works only for big accounts. The smaller accounts are losing. Like if somebody signs up for a 25k account, this is just losing money for the company if the trader fails.
Because it's so small what they upfront, right?
Yeah.
I'm trying to remember what I was just about to ask. Fuck.
But it's not really a source of revenue. This is just made to be a... Well, how do I put it? So the trader has actually something to lose.
Yeah. It's the psychological. I figured that as well, because they might do good demo and then just fucking, yeah. Makes sense. I was gonna, okay, so you get the money back once you pass, right? You get your money back and then you just run the account?
Yeah, when you pass, you get the money back. Well, you never lose the money. The money stays on your account anyway. You just cannot withdraw it.
Yeah. No, it makes perfect sense. Anyway,
so you pay it into an investment system, and the money will stay there. You just cannot. If you click to withdraw, like okay, like you have. Let's just assume you have a 100k account. That means you have to deposit at least $800. Let's say you are generous. You deposit $1,000, and then you go to withdrawal. You can only select 200.
Ah, okay. Yeah, no, it makes sense. I mean, it's not really that big of a deal. I was just wondering if you could always, like, upgrade the account later, or is it just permanent? Because if I'm making a good amount of money and I want to get a bigger account...
Oh, you're gonna get it. If you are good, then somebody will approach you anyway and ask you if you want more money.
Right.
And this threshold is actually very, very small.
What is the threshold?
I should not say that, but
I thought you were being vague.
since we are just among ourselves. Let me just start a chat app.
Dollar yen.
And like, oh, not many other viewers. It's 2.5%.
2.5% gain in like what time?
In a month.
Because they're like. But then in the pre-trials and the shit, you gotta get like 10 in a month. It's crazy. Because I could do 2 in a month easy.
Yeah, but if you do like,
my positions might be hard.
if you do 2.5 or more consistently, and your drawdown versus profit ratio is higher than 1.1, you're gonna be asked for if you want to trade with more money. That's for sure. Because this is exactly what the fund wants. People that trade sensibly. Not the not the peoples that okay, I'll give you an example. If you have a 10% account volatility a month on a 50k account, you will never get more than 50k.
Right. Yeah, because that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be doing the lower percent.
But if you
I can make 10.
Yeah, but if you have like a drawdown versus profit ratio of like, let's say 1.1, and you make a 2.5% profit a month, you're gonna trade with like 500k in no time.
Okay. That's good news, I guess. Gotta trade into liquidity though, probably.
Because you're posing a lesser risk, so you can get more equity, and your risk is gonna be the same. Like, okay, like let's just say you have a 1% account volatility, and you trade with 500k, and there is another trader that has 50k, and he has a 10% account volatility. You both have the same risk.
Difference, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got that. Okay, cool. Because the thing is, I was really trying to deep think how I could reach the 10% with the strat I'm doing at the end of the month, and I'm like, now you're telling me they were fine with 2.5%, and I'm like, god damn it.
Yeah,
I'm thinking about going for the 300k account or something. I'm trying to like figure out which one I want to do.
This the 10% is just for to put pressure on a trader and find out how they act, how to act and react to it.
Right. Well, hopefully what you're saying is if I do good but don't reach 10, maybe I can still be picked up. Don't know.
No, you can't, because there's an insurance problem. But like I said, if you don't make it, nobody cares. You just do it again. No, it's gonna cost you nothing besides the time.
I don't have time. I'm 24.
I have to pay my bills, damn it!
I thought of a way to do it, but like it's like I was gonna ask if I could trade on 2 different accounts while doing it, because I want to like split up my position and organize them better.
Yeah, actually a lot of traders do that. They enroll, they fail the first time. Not fail, they just don't make the target, and then they enroll, they get a new account, and then they're sizing up a little bit based on volatility and whatnot. So you change things a little bit just to get to the 10%. And after that, in verification, it doesn't matter anymore because your target is 2.5%.
Right.
I mean, your target is your profit target is 5% in verification, but you have double the time to do it. And half the target and double the time is a quarter of the target, which means 2.5%.
What I was thinking about with the whole 2 accounts is I'm gonna trade basically 3 strats at once, and there'll be a time where I need to size in heavier, and I know when that is, and it won't show up all the time. But I'm thinking that might get me to the 10% target. But I'm just hoping I can do that maybe on 2 different accounts hooked up to one. But I don't know if that's an option. It's just for organization. That's all. I don't want to fucking misclick like a retard. In short. But if that's not a thing, that's fine. I just have to deal with it. It's just for my own luxury, really.
I don't understand the 2 accounts thing.
Oh, nah, doesn't matter. If it can't be done, it can't be done. Doesn't matter.
Nothing is impossible.
True. Well, I know with like the current strat I'm doing, I'm going to be sizing in with 0.1% as a starting risk, and then be sizing in differently. So, like, worst case scenario, it does what I want right away, right? That's what you were kind of bitching about earlier, and then I make nothing, and it's like, god damn it. So then I have another system too, where I get a confirmation. It's just like strategies. I don't really want to go over them, but when I get the confirmation, I know I can size in heavier. However, it's less frequent. So I'm thinking of
NASDAQ.
doing my concept and then that, but it'll look like a clusterfuck of positions with different meanings. But yeah, would be nicer to just do 2 accounts, because I'm also trading against my position, like, you know. So yeah, just for organization reasons, I guess.
Oh, we had that yesterday. There was somebody asked me about a setup. And this was the perfect setup. There was structural support. The structural support met by half a pip with the reverb. And there was horizontal support as well on the 30-minute. I just said, this is like an all-in type of setup.
Pretty much, yeah.
And I explained it why. And I just said I will trade that too, but I didn't trade it full size because this was on dollar Swiss. Who trades dollar Swiss? Anyway, but I just said that, and then it failed like immediately. I said, what the fuck?
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
nevertheless, the point was, this is a setup where you'll seriously load up, because they fail like almost never, and then it did like a minute later.
Oh yeah, okay. Talking about my sizing in approach, the sizing in risk, like bigger, will be as big as the maximum risk of me scaling in while hedging. So like in the end, I won't exceed, in the worst case scenario, which shouldn't happen, you know, more than, you know, 1 in every, I don't know, 13 times maybe, I don't know. At max I'll lose 1%.
Yeah, that's fine. And you have multiple trades or just one?
A lot. I'm gonna be scaling in and then hedging against it, and then I'm also gonna load in heavy, but they all have the same risk, and I have to position size for each. It'll be a little tedious.
Oh no, I mean, you have only one setup, or you have multiple setups at the same time?
Basically, 2. There's 2.
Yeah, so then your max is 2%, so who cares? This is fine.
Oh, no. Sorry, I understand what you're saying now. No, 0.5% max for each.
Then your max is 3%, is still fine.
Okay, I'm not saying this right. No, I will, like, if everything goes to shit, because I'm gonna be position sizing correctly, it'll be no more than 1% maximum loss.
Per setup.
NASDAQ.
And you have 2 setups, that means 2%.
I get what you're saying now. I'm trying to approach it because I'm trading 2 different strategies on the same pair at the same time. That's what I'm going to be doing. So, it's, yeah, I guess it's 1 setup, give or take. We'll just call it 1, yeah. 1 setup, 1% there, that's easier. My brain's kind of jumbled up.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. It's just like if you say, oh, I'm just only going to risk 1% a trade. Oh, fine, you're good to go. Just hit it hard. But if you have 20 setups on the same day, then that can be a problem. That's what I meant.
Yeah, I'm gonna... each position... Okay, fuck, how do I explain this? The first position will be risking 0.2%. And then if I have to scale in, it's gonna scale in like 2.2, and then the big setup will be different. But the risk changes because the closer you get to your maximum risk, the values change. So it's not 0.2 isn't 0.2 anymore. It's just the same size I used as the beginning size, right?
Yeah, sure. That's how scaling works.
Yeah.
Your position gets bigger the closer it gets to the stop. That's the whole point of scaling.
Okay, wait. No, I meant my risk gets smaller because I'm just doing the same size, and so it's like, okay, well, my maximum risk was down here. Now this position's closer to it. But yeah, anyways, in the end, it's 1% max if everything goes to shit. More often than not, it's going to be 0.5 unless I get the confirmation. Then it jumps up to 1%.
Yeah,
But
sure, because
I know the
you're loading
trend.
up. That's normal. I do that too. If I see a setup that's like 90% success rate, I'm gonna be all in on that one.
Yeah, right. See, I know you understand. I'm just saying if I can use 2 accounts for organization when I'm trading it, because it's going to be kind of weird, but I could try. I can manage, but it'll be tedious. Especially because I'm going to be trading, I'm going to be day trading it, obviously. So, I don't know. You've got your helper and stuff, but, yeah. But yeah, no 3% risk, none of that. Just 1. 0.5 sometimes. Blah, blah, blah.
Yeah, it's not binary, so markets.
Yeah, I think the convo kind of got derailed a bit, but all I was asking for is if I could do 2 accounts in the pre-trials. Like I could have like 1 account on one platform, 1 on another, but I'm trading the same currency pair. But it helps me keep my positions organized on what I'm doing. Because like while I'm scaling in, I'm also trading against my position. I think I told you about that. So it would be nice to do that on 2 different platforms, you know.
You can have multiple accounts. Now I'm
Right.
getting it. You can have more than 1 account. Actually, there are traders that have several accounts. There's one fund. They have 7 traders, and so the manager has just 1 account, and he has 7 live accounts. So it makes no difference to me.
$yen.
Okay, well, hey.
The profit payments are later labeled with the account number anyway, so it's really.
Okay, I was just seeing if I could do it. If not, I can just deal with it. Doesn't really matter.
Yeah. To answer the question, you can.
Yay! We hit the conclusion.
But you have to enroll twice. That's maybe an issue. Oh, this price action is so terrible.
Yeah, that is fucking disgusting. Like that. Yeah, that's fucking that. I just looked. Yeah, that's gross. Like, what the fuck are you supposed to make of that? Like, oh, it just retried twice and failed.
yen.
And now you're just like, oh, I can.
Yeah, actually, if the small line I just put there, which has no relation to anything, is valid, then I'm already late. Yeah, then it already tested after the open. And I should be heavy already. Let's just take a quick look at the Aussie dollar is going down. Why I can't hear my microphone? What the fuck?
When's your webinar today? I think it was oh fuck, I can't remember. I have to go look again.
At 5 there's a YouTube event, should be.
Okay, I'll go check the YouTube. YouTube event not on yours, it'd be on
On mine, yeah.
Oh, yours? The fuck?
9 hours.
I see. will I be up in 9 hours? Are you gonna go in depth into your strat during the webinar, or are you gonna keep it?
I hope a lot of people gonna ask questions because I have. This is not gonna be a typical webinar. I'm zero preparation.
You know, you're pretty good at improv, so.
So it's gonna be like, hey there, what up? Yeah, I should be heavy already on the ASEAN trade. Shit, I guess this meaningless trend line is the support. Most of the yen pair is already up. But the Aussie dollar is still bitching around, so the yens are pretty weak today. What's the Nikkei doing? Nikkei is going up, so everything is good. I'm just not heavy. And if I scale in now, it's gonna drop down. I'm so sure of that. Oh, okay, I can buy a little bit more. Maybe a little bit more.
Filled.
Now it's gonna go down because I just scaled in. Great, 2 lots. Fuck you. For real?
Order pending.
I'm still waiting for the
Order
pullback
pending.
further.
Yeah, I'm just
Something
kind of
that shit.
afraid this is actually never gonna happen. But the Aussie dollar is going down.
Order cancelled. Order filled. Order pending.
2.5 now. This is gonna make no money whatsoever. And the Aussie dollar is going down, so this is maybe a terrible idea. And this trend line makes no sense either. What the fuck? This is like, don't do that at home. What time is it? Oh, 41. I'm 15 minutes too early actually.
Gold.
Have you seen Bitcoin move?
I'll go look. I checked like 2 days ago.
I think that was 2 days ago.
Yeah, you're talking about that big move? Yeah, I saw that.
Like-
It's crazy, like the setup on the weekly is crazy. It's pretty bullish.
Like Mobile said something, oh, China is gonna go into the crypto thing and doing something and blah blah blah, and then boom, it moves like $400. I say, what the fuck just happened?
Aussie
Yeah,
dollar.
it moved like fucking crazy.
Yeah, $2,000 or something like that.
Yeah. My current broker lets me trade crypto, and so I was like, oh, I didn't really notice that. So I opened an account, and you can't trade it on the weekends. And I'm like, wow, that's fucking useless. GG. That was my grand discovery lately. It's like that's the whole point of crypto, for trading on the weekends. Any other reason is degenerate. But yeah, it looks, the setup looks fucking great. Like, on the weekly. I am not investing in it.
Where's he though? He's completely off the wrist monitor, what the fuck?
I wonder if this can actually keep going up, though. I'm gonna keep notes on this. Is the yen really weak right now? I mean, it looks like it is. Do you know why?
It looks like it. It never care about why. Nikkei is going up-ish, so we're good. What's the... What's NQ doing? Oh, going nowhere. Oh, that doesn't look so healthy.
Gold.
Holy shit. 8,100. What the fuck?
Oh, Nasdaq. Hello there.
Yeah. Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah, it broke through actually yesterday.
Aussie dollar is weak too. So that's just weird. But that explains why it moved up, but I wonder if it can actually keep going. I want to know.
Oh, that's gonna be such an... Oh, the Aussie dollar is back. I'm back, baby. In what movie was that? Oh, Bad Boys. The Russian mobster guy. Baby. Okay, I'm watching too much TV. Too much Netflix during the setups.
Comments coming through now from the Japanese Finance Minister Aso. Don't expect a big pullback in demand following sales tax hike.
Why is mobile so quiet? Can you hear him clearly?
Yeah.
Pound Aussie.
Here, fish, I tagged you in something in HODL. Should be a GIF.
Yeah. I don't remember this scene, but he says that quite a lot.
It's the one where they go to the Amazons.
Oh yeah, Death by Snoo Snoo.
Hi.
Yeah, that sounds about right.
Great, I'm up 50 bucks. Now this is gonna be a boring day. If I load up now, it's gonna drop like a stone, I'm so sure.
Yeah.
It's the previous high now. Yeah, I'm gonna wait this is breaking out. Then wait for a retest, and then do it. Oh, this is gonna be a long day.
Did you just say a trade plan?
What? No, I'm denying everything.
Don't do those.
No, we don't.
Trade plans? I was just gonna buy when it broke out and be a retard, but you know.
Yeah, and I used the word breakout. Holy shit, I have to go to see a doctor or something.
Let me turn this reminder off for the listen.
So in FX here on Forex Live, just noting some strength coming into the New Zealand dollar as it's getting some base.
Trade plan breakout.
Taking it up through
What
to
the fuck?
560.
Retest.
Therefore above its overhead high. So they're noting that the only news coming over the wires is New Zealand's superannuation. It's a fund, a big investor, reviewing its FX hedging policy. I think the details are sparse, but this does result in potential for less spending of the New Zealand dollar offshore.
Alright, it broke out. Now will it retest the next previous high 25 pips away once again? The big question.
I think Morbo is not. It need to be louder. Why I'm so. My audio is always messed up. There's some buzzing noise in the background. Testing, testing.
Yep, with a bit of buzzing in the background.
Still buzzing?
I think
Buzzing? Do we buzzing?
no, I think you're good. Yeah.
Then again, I have
Dollar
tinnitus,
index.
so I mean, like, you know.
Oh, look at that piece of shit.
There it goes.
Oh, come on. Seriously.
Now, if it retests,
I think this test of this fake line I made afterwards, that was the test actually. So I was off by like 3 pips.
hey Omega.
And there's no retest actually. So we can still do it. Hey Omega.
Hey, what's up?
We're just being annoyed by the market not doing what we want.
Yeah, it's taking forever to move.
So, GitHub selling Ichimoku or what?
Man. I've never seen him once post a Ichimoku chart. Ichibubu chart.
That's true.
Well, it looks like one. It could be something else, but it looks very Ichimoku.
No, it is, but what I'm saying is he has never, ever, as long as I've known him, ever posted a chart that had Ichimoku on it. I mean,
Same.
yeah.
Maybe he just discovered it like 7 minutes ago.
But I love his double trend line. I was like, what the hell is that?
It's a double trend line.
Yeah, that's it. End of story.
Yeah, I was gonna ask him, where'd you learn to draw a trend line at?
On the Trump-Ukraine issue.
Well, you can put your screen on your desk or embed it in your desk and then you use some sticks and just throw it at them. How about that?
No, that's what happens when you're drawing with a ruler, and then the ruler moves while you're drawing it. When the ruler ends up moving.
Oh fuck! Oh, that looks actually pretty good. Let's just do that. Never mind. It's on the paper already. So
Yeah, you get the idea. Man, I've been holding this pound yen long all day since like just into New York. And it just has not, it went drawdown, but it will not. It's like, I'm at 3.9 in the red. And I've just been waiting, man. Oh my God, this is freaking torture.
I guess I'm having 0.1% now. Yay! 0.13. Oh, I fucking hate myself. This is so bad. This is like the perfect trade and I have no size on.
Cable.
And now it's gonna drop back down.
That's what he just wrote.
This is like I will be done by now. What the fuck? I'm gonna get me a coffee. I'm back in 10 seconds.
Dollar index.
Fuck's sake, now
Dollar
what?
sing.
Oh, look, a pound.
Euro
What I
yen.
said, yeah, now what? I'm getting
Holy shit.
Aussie dollar.
I don't think Fish might want to come back.
this, yeah, man. Whew.
Fish, if you can hear us, hurry back. Shit moving.
I mean, talk about a well, not quite the retest he was talking about, but still.
It actually is what he
Good enough
did.
for me.
Yeah, but it happened in like too fast for him to probably do it.
No, yeah.
Oh, rip. I can't wait till he comes back and hear what he says.
Are you for real? Oh, come on.
There he is.
I was waiting for that.
I just went to the kitchen. What happened? You broke it or what?
You went to the kitchen, that's what happened.
The moment you walked away, I was like, what the hell now?
Yeah, and I have no pending order. I was thinking while I'm walking down, why I didn't put a limit order on the reverb. Oh, come on! For real! It's gonna go right back up. Look how precise that was.
Yeah, this is real funny shit here.
Oh, Poundian went down real deep.
Yeah, no, it was started with power.
It did for a second, but it already the slide kind of stopped.
Maybe some whale is wanna sell the pullback. What's the Aussie dollar
I'm
doing?
still holding it. Yeah.
Nika is good, Aussie dollar is good. Nah, that doesn't look so good, to be honest. Maybe I should just take profit here. Dollars? Ish.
It was a big mistake.
Dollar is still up, that's not a good sign, but this could be because of the pound.
Dollar yen.
Yeah, if it tests twice, that's probably a bad idea. Then. Well, never say never. There was my damn retest. Fuck you. And I didn't had a limit order there. I was really, while I was on this day, I was thinking, maybe I should set a limit order.
Don't worry, Fish. I heard you break away from your trade plan and now I'm sad. That silence, I'm just expecting to get kicked from the server.
At 100% of the move, by the way.
It's because I was laughing at his comment where he says he doesn't have any targets.
Dude, he says things that make absolutely no sense. On average, the take profit is usually 100% of the move. What move? What? I mean, what does
The move!
The
one on the tick chart, where I look at the 4 hour. I don't fucking know.
This motherfucker's getting on my nerves, man. Oops, I'm sorry if you're recording. Oh, you're not recording, SwingFish. Sorry, man. I apologize for my.
Oh, that's fine. I'm already labeled as not child friendly, so whatever.
I already did slander, and I can subject to something later, so. Because I called him a scammer because he is in another server. He's been scamming people. So whatever.
Dollar yen.
His presence here is my fault, so I apologize to everyone.
It's okay, I want to just see him get really mad.
For the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste.
Man, it looks like this pound yen is not gonna let me go unscathed.
Let's play him a little bit.
I went down the rabbit hole before, and it's pretty crazy.
It's very, very dark indeed. It's a dark place.
This guy only trades on a demo, by the way. You can ask him and he'll say it with pride. He just waits to trade other people's money. That's his thing. And he's really good, quote unquote.
He says, the grail is to...
I mean, that's perfect, isn't it? Just trade other people's money, that's it.
Yeah, take their money.
That works too.
Yeah, but what does he say, Omega?
Oh, what do they say? Something, know to know. The Holy Grail is knowing the unknowable, some other crazy, just a bunch of gobbledygook, man.
Wait, so who is this?
Kitab in the trading room.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna blow sugar in his ass a little bit. Act like I'm care.
Alright, can't wait. Oh man, I should have saved some of those charts with all the crazy trend lines all over them, man. Those are always interesting. Good for her.
Do you know what's her face? Julia Cordova, WTI trade.
WTI? Oh, no.
Fucking.
Holy shit, the pound is dropping.
Twitter person now.
Sorry. The pound is dropping really hard.
Yeah, I don't know how much I'm gonna have to friggin' bail on this shit, man. God, man, I can't even believe this. Oh! No. Let's see what weekly pivot is. Hold on.
Wow, that looks bad.
They looking good, man.
Maybe I exit the Aussie yen trade. This is just gonna drag the yen down. The yen's down. The only thing Aussie yen is still up is because the Australian dollar is going up. But this will change
Yeah,
in a
I don't
moment.
even drop
So
any
new over
profit
to China now,
away.
announcing it has established a second national chip fund with 204 billion in yuan capital.
It's trying to drag this yen trade down.
Yeah, I think it's gonna get down.
This man. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna exit this man, Stuart. Oh, well, let's see. Oh shit, 0.16. I'm out. Fuck this. I'm out. I'm out.
This looks pretty bad.
Now that I'm out, man, that friggin' bar is gonna correct itself. It's not even red yet, but it's just killing me because I was holding it all day. Fuck it, I'm out.
Omega, have a look in
You got cut off, man.
have a look in trading room.
Oh, jeez. Oh, my eyes.
Order filled. Dollar yen.
Yeah, the yens are gonna go down.
Order filled.
Nevertheless.
Julia Cordova.
Hey, Butter.
What's up?
Nothing. Just waited for you, and now it's 6.
Yep.
Waited just for you. Totally not just saying that now because I re-remembered.
Only 3 hours off the mark.
Gold.
Oh, for me it's 6 my time, so you win.
Oh,
It's literally
shit.
6:04 here. Yeah.
Yeah,
You did it, Butter.
Oh, this is gonna fail so bad now. Let's see what the Aussie
I
dollar
know you're
does.
on the coast.
Aussie
Dare
dollar.
you? I'm coming for you, Butter.
please no.
Order filled.
Whoa,
Oh,
that
there
was
we go.
Aussie yen.
Yes. Can't wait
Order
to buy
filled.
in soon.
Zigzag.
this
Really?
looks like it's gonna fail.
Aussie yen. Order filled.
I don't know, I feel like that 100% of the move line is not quite 100% of the move. Looks like it's floating above.
Order cancelled. Order cancelled.
Oh,
Order
an
cancelled.
projection expansion of 100% of the move, which still makes no sense. Good job.
I say it was a fib tool, man. It's not. It's just a fib tool.
Sorry, I'm just being a technical asshole, but fucking.
Oh, you're still looking at what? Oh no, this. Never mind.
Kitab's saying he takes 100% of the move, but
Here
it's a
from the
projecting
Japanese
tool.
economy
which
minister
is
believes the Bank of Japan
per-
will decide policy appropriately, where the government and Bank of Japan will join forces to exit deflation.
You're right.
I'm getting a headache.
Welcome to hell.
There it is. 1, 2, 3. And it failed. Of course it did.
Yeah, the Aussie dollar is gonna fuck it up now.
And
He's
a
like-
fat, juicy move here.
The reason he's talking to me, Fish, is he's still mad at me for earlier calling him a scammer. just ignoring your comment. Does he even know what this server is? Like, does he know there's live streams and there's like a prop firm or anything? Because I don't know. He needs money apparently. I don't know. And he's got the Holy Grail.
Yeah, but he said 50K would not be enough to for him to make enough money with. And with 50% profit, so.
Maybe he should, like, I don't know, work the most mundane. Maybe he should go mow some lawns, and he can't do 50. You just have to front money. Yeah, whatever. I guess he doesn't have any. Dude, if I was him, like real, like, because we all know he's full of shit, but if I had the Holy Grail, blah blah blah, and I didn't have enough money, I would just start selling everything because I knew I would get everything back. So,
yeah, right. Whatever you have, just make a garage sale. Get enough
Yeah,
money to enroll and fire in the hole. It's pretty straightforward.
I've told him that so many times, and you know what he says? Oh, I just don't have time. I don't have enough time.
Yet he trades on a demo. How do you not have time on a demo? Why even trade on a demo? What does that prove? Why not just go meditate in the Himalayas because you found the Grail? It's not like it changes, right? It's the Grail. I don't know. It's weird.
I told him he's forbidden from saying that word in the chat.
I should change my name to Holy Grail so when he says it, he's like, Grail, you just ban him. Just ban him. Oh, fuck, it's tempting. Rules are rules.
I did warn you.
Yeah, the range is 1 to 100. That's true. You can make 0 or you can make 100.
Projection is usually only 50 or 61.8%. It's usually not 100%.
Yeah.
Oh yes, 100% is. It's not a Fibonacci number, but it's part of the. 100% is pretty common. But what he does makes no sense anyway. It's just zigzag with the 100%.
Yeah, but the move doesn't make any sense because the move is the previous.
Is plotting based on the camel tails. That's it. Look at every one of those where he's plotted it, and it's like, dude, I could do that with any chart after it's already friggin' drawn.
The Kitab just say gotcha, and I have no idea what he's talking about. Gotcha.
Gotcha.
Fuck, well, I'm gonna hang
so
up my hat. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go flip burgers.
I have to initiate some mass suicide in the Himalayas. We'll be back in 10 minutes.
That's a good idea.
That's a good idea. Dude, when the authorities knock on my door, what I'm supposed to say?
When what? Outro? I didn't really catch that, sorry. Some name I don't know. Yeah, Beamon, we were talking about fib extensions, but he said the move, which means like the previous. And I was just being technical with him because he's apparently a god trader or something. How could he have a flaw?
Yeah, no, it's not possible. We are just unworthy.
Aww. Yeah, someone's fluffles.
Nasdaq.
Yeah.
Oh, I found out something really cool regarding cats.
What?
Well, you know, cat litter sucks. It's a pain in the ass, right? So, have you ever heard of pine pellets?
Oh yeah, but they suck too because the cat carries them around.
Cat doesn't carry them around.
Oh, mine does.
They're friggin' tough.
I got rid of them like really fast. Oh hell no.
Dude, my cat tracks friggin' cat litter, was tracking cat litter all over the place, man. It was all over the friggin' bathroom. I was like, dude, this is friggin' ridiculous. But those pellets are too big to really get tracked.
Oh yeah, right, they're pretty big, yeah.
Yeah, they're big, man. I mean, and the great thing is, man, I mean, you just friggin', you just keep, what do you call it? You know, you just get rid of some and you add some more. You get rid of some and you add some more. It's not like you get rid of the whole box.
Tomorrow will tell the impeachment investigators who reported that Trump's Ukraine.
Oh shit, butter.
I have a... Marbo is really...
That's again per his opening statement obtained by Politico reporter Andrew DeZergio reporting us.
Why is
I mean,
it...
he's right.
No, I cannot really hear him.
He wants you to knight him, establishing his validity.
Knight
Anyway.
him, Sir Brannigan.
Yeah, let's knight him Brannigan.
Ever since I started using them, dude, no smell at all. Zero, bro. I love that shit, bro. It's
I gotta
friggin'
try
like
this.
$6. I bought 2 friggin' 40-pound bags, man, for less than $20. I'm like, I'm in, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna go get some and try it, see if my cat drags it around the house somehow.
Well, I was worried that the cat just wouldn't shit in there or wouldn't use it, but she's
Right.
already used to that spot, so she didn't really have any choice. But dude, the smell, it turns like when the cat pees on the pine pellets,
Nasty.
it turns the pine pellets into sawdust, bro.
Aussie yen.
It smells like pine. So then you just friggin' shake the box, you drain it with like
PBOC fixing the yuan midpoint today at 706.17 versus the dollar versus the par fix yesterday of 707.62 and our last close of 706.72. So again, the yuan midpoint today set at 706.17. And the PBOC skipping reverse repo operations, again skipping reverse repo operations from the PBOC today.
Oh, that's nice.
Anyway, if you go online on YouTube, dude, and just type it in, man, pine pellets for cat litter, bro, you'll find all the nutty cat people, man, that tell you exactly how to do this shit.
With their blind vegan cats.
This blonde lady, she's like, I have a cattery and I've been raising Himalayan kittens for 30 years. Let me show you how to do this, you know, like scientifically, the best way. I was like, okay. So I checked it out. I was like, okay, I got this shit. Boom. Down to the Tractor Supply store, got the stuff, got a bigger a bigger box, got the drilled the holes. I was like, da-da, done.
Oh, so you made holes in the box and then you just shake it.
Just shake the box, shake the sawdust out.
Oh yeah, that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah, and then you just add some more friggin' pellets to the thing, bro, and there's zero smell, bro. I love it, man. And no more cat litter tracked all over the place. Yeah, I'm a fan.
Take my money.
I cannot really do that, that's the problem. Because I repurposed the downstairs bedroom for the cat.
Oh, yeah, that's right. You did the whole shower. Would you do a whole...
I have the shower is full with cat litter.
You made a shrine room to your cat? Fish, you made a whole room for your cat?
Well, I have a bathroom downstairs, a guest bedroom, whatever, nobody is using it, and it has a small shower.
I see.
Yeah, that's it. So you use the shower bottom just for the cat litter. That's kind of a cool idea.
Yeah, I cut it in half with a piece of wood, and that's it.
Yeah, I'm never going back, bro. That's friggin' cat litter's fucking expensive, dude.
Oh, this is cheap as dirt here, but this bio and stuff, it's very, very expensive.
It's $6, bro,
Moving
for a
to the bottom of
40-pound
the
bag of
overnight
pine
in
pellets.
just about 12 minutes time,
Nasdaq.
we do have the Chinese and Hong Kong cash equity opens. So we're seeing stocks in Asia advancing this morning after US equities climbed to a record, propelled by optimism for a trade deal, encouraging earnings and expectations for another Fed interest rate cut.
Alright, the Nikkei and the Nasdaq is
Lines
right
there
at the
at 1
VWAP, and
point
the
today,
Nasdaq
set
went
at the
below
strongest
already.
level since October 26, 2019. So we did see US futures flat after the S&P 500 index took out its July record high, with President Trump saying that the US is ahead of schedule to sign part of a Chinese trade deal. Additionally, the US trade representatives are studying whether to extend tariff suspensions on $34 billion of Chinese goods set to expire on December 28th this year. In further news to watch out for out of China, the cracks in China bonds have traders are watching at $35 billion maturity, while HSBC warning of write-down in the earnings report and job cuts as profit misses estimates. Troubled Chinese electric car maker loses the chief finance officer, and subsidies for Huawei gear will be banned under an FCC proposal. And more equity news, Boeing to add a third 737-800 freighter conversion site in China. In crypto news, Bitcoin flirting with $10,000 after China endorses its blockchain, and the Chinese bond rout worsening as yields jump most in 6 months. And finally, in trade news, China going through a UAD as a backdoor to acquire Canadian canola oil.
Oh, wait, that's why no introduction. We are an hour late. Fucking summer winter time nonsense.
Wait a minute.
I was complaining this morning, maybe something wrong with my system, because there was no introduction for the market. And he just made it just now. Because, sure, it's an hour late.
I know we have the daylight savings time coming soon. I was like, did that happen already?
Yeah, it just happened. There's a proof, because the market introduction is an hour late.
You already fucked over most of Australia.
Dude, it'll start getting dark here at like 4 o'clock or something, man. It's crazy, man. I hate that shit.
We're living on the wrong side of the planet. There is no such thing as daylight saving here.
Yeah, it's horrible, man.
Just move to Africa. Africa, live right on the equator.
I was thinking about moving to Ghana, man.
You already live in the desert, so there will be not much difference.
Yeah.
It's I'm already living in the desert. Yeah.
It's just
It's
hotter.
a little different though.
Just a little bit hotter. Closer to the sun.
Man, I have some friends in Sierra Leone, bro, and every time they friggin' FaceTime me, man, friggin' they got sweat just pouring down their faces. I'm like, dude, how fucking hot is it? I mean, they are just like pouring, like water's pouring off of them, man. I'm like, oh shit, that looks real hot.
And pair's gonna go down from here.
Yeah, it looks like I got out. Ooh, okay. And let's short that pound kiwi.
And the Aussie dollar doesn't have enough juice. I don't want to take 0.03% profit.
Bro, this week is starting horrible, man, for me.
Give it a minute. Nikkei is right at the VWAP. The Nasdaq is pitching around on the VWAP.
Well, at least I got out a pound yen. It's already now it's just below 140. So it was a good idea.
I think there are a lot of sellers now because of because we are at the top.
Yeah. Well, funny thing is, like, the top is way higher, man. I thought for sure we would get.
Yeah, actually they are. This is kind of strange. These levels are so significant.
Are you talking about NASDAQ?
No, generally. Almost everything is not really at a... The Nasdaq is at a high, but technically it's not really a significant place.
Well, if you look at dollar, yen, Euro yen just came off of a top. Pound yen is the only one that didn't. But yeah, there's a lot. You're right. There's a lot of extreme levels for a lot of pairs, like pound kiwis coming off of a top. That's what I'm selling it.
Looks like the Nikkei is gonna go down.
Oh my god, bro.
What do we have here?
Aussie yen.
The previous high-ish. Okay, there's very little we can do. What happened now?
Look at swing yen. I mean, sorry, Singapore yen. Man, that thing's at a high. Well, posting a previous high.
Is this some sort of significant level on the Nikkei?
Aussie yen.
Because it stopped here quite a lot of times.
Aussie dollar.
So I guess buying ASEAN wasn't such a good idea.
Nasdaq.
Nikkei just bounced off the reverb. But the Aussie dollar is kinda ish. Pound yen is still dropping, euro yen is dropping. Oh, this looks terrible. Yeah, I was actually thinking about shorting it because of exactly that idea. Sell the correction.
Man, Euro Aussie is going to plunge.
Not helping.
Oh, I'm sorry. What did I? Sorry. Not helping. What pair are you focusing on that's not helping?
I just said something stupid. I'm buying Aussie yen.
Oh, okay, Aussie. Oh, I'm buying Aussie yen. Yeah, okay. And I said, Aussie, Euro Aussie's about to plunge, yeah. Well, that's actually helping. If you're buying Aussie and Euro Aussie's falling, that's buying Aussie. So it's actually helping, right?
Checks out in my brain.
Yeah.
I have no target. Except the one, the original one, 22 pips up.
You're like a tab, no target.
Dollar yen.
I'm still waiting for it to fall like 7 pips from where it is.
Dude.
Patience.
5.2 max.
I'm just greedy.
I have a strong feeling this is not gonna work out as planned. Oh, I moved this trend line. Maybe I should do that on the 30-minute too.
Sell some Euro Aussie. You know you want to.
I just want one of the pound pairs to bounce up and give me a good entry.
For what?
Pound yen or just Cape.
Aussie dollar.
Well, the pound pairs went down badly just now. And now the Aussie dollar goes down too. It's gonna fuck up my trade. The dollar index is flying.
Uh-oh.
It's gonna go down.
Ruh-roh.
That looks different. That looks terrible now.
Nasdaq.
That looks very bad. Ah, shit. A larger time frame. ASEAN looks really good on the larger time frames, but there's gonna be a pullback, like Exo said.
Yeah, at some point you got to top a little bit above. Where's that top? It's going to be 74.81. I saw some 30 pips, man. So I don't know.
Nasdaq. Aussie dollar.
Oh, and then they also said the other thing that works beside pine pellets
Order
is oh shoot, what are they called? They're stove pellets, man. But when I asked them about that, they were sold out, man. They didn't have any.
It is normal. I have to look for pine, but these normal pellets, they are just terrible here.
Well, the pine pellets, they have to be what's called kiln dried. Otherwise, they're poisonous to cats. So you got to make sure you get kiln dried pine pellets.
Well, I live in Thailand, so I'm very close to Japan. It's very close to Japan, and Japan's are really cat crazy.
Yeah,
So you can all kinds of can get all kinds of Japanese shit here very cheap.
706 versus the dollar versus the last close of 706.72.
Boom! There we go. Pound Kiwis trying to be sneaky. There we go.
I have some wet food from Japan. I can send it over to you if you want. But your cat gonna murder you after you run out.
Is it that good?
Yeah.
Gourmet. Yeah, I'm doing Friskies, man.
Oh, I hate this shit. This is really junk food. This is like McDonald's for cats.
What, the Friskies?
Friskies is okay, but Whiskas or something like that, I don't buy that shit.
Oh no, it's not. It's Friskies, but there's better stuff. But what they do is they jack up the price, and it's in a little tiny tin, bro. That's barely enough for one meal. It's called something gourmet. I forget what it's called.
Oh yeah, they have that stuff here too. It's pretty expensive.
It's super expensive, man. Cat's eating better than me.
I usually buy from a local brand. It's called Mayo. They're pretty good. And they have these small packages. I can buy like 20 cents or 15 cents one. And so I just open it, give it all to the cat, and that's it.
Yeah, I started. Oh, my mom's the one that told me, because I told her that damn cat spoiled. She won't eat any dry food. She said, just mix what you've been giving her, mix it in with the dry food. So now she started eating it a little bit.
I mean, you said she's old. Maybe she has some problems with her teeth.
You know, that's what I told my mom too. Maybe I should just give her just I don't know. Maybe I'll go back to just giving her the freaking. But I don't know if it's healthy for her to just eat nothing but canned food.
Yeah, and well, it tastes better. That's why they want it.
Aussie yen.
Oh, fuck you, Nikai. This is gonna fail. But if I take profit now with like 0 profit, then it's gonna shoot up. Like it always does, because it looks pretty good on the 15 minutes still. Oh, didn't they copy the price? Let's just set the take profits and so I can see it on the 15 minutes. There we are. Oh, that looks pretty far on the 15 minute too.
Gold.
Oh man. Now how come the market's like stalling out now? We're going nowhere again.
I think it's gonna change. I have a strong feeling it's gonna change direction now. Like Exo said, there's gonna be a pullback.
Meanwhile, I'm still waiting for that pullback.
Like who said?
Exo.
Exo's not even in here.
He's watching the live stream.
Oh.
He's spying on Twitch.
Are you recording now?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, because your thing's not purple, man.
Oh, it isn't?
Yeah.
Oh, that's strange.
Oh.
I am purple on my...
Not purple here.
Become purple.
Yeah, on my trading computer I am purple, but on my Mac I'm not. What the fuck?
You're not for me either.
Let me just quit the Discord on my Mac. And now? I'm purple on my Mac, on my trading computer, yeah.
Aussie yen.
So, am I purple or not?
Hold on, I was somewhere else.
You're still not for me.
Yeah, I just see it. That's strange. Let me just quit Discord for a second.
Aussie dollar. Gold.
Fish, we thought you'd never come. You just left for good.
Yeah, left for good.
It'd be really funny if you did. Not for a lot of people, but it would be funny to me.
Authorized apps. Yeah, the Twitch is not listed as authorized app. What the hell? How to do that again? I forgot already. Connections, yeah. Twitch. Oh, I know. I changed my Twitch password. That's.
Wondering what you got for me. Egyptian currents up to be my lady only.
There you go.
Yeah, I just reconnected Twitch.
Gold.
I see you doing the authentication on stream, by the way, but I doubt that matters.
Who cares?
Alright. Just letting you know. That I verified first!
Somebody make the $1,000 go up, please.
Yeah, you're gonna have to wait till it hits where I want it to be.
Aussie dollar.
Thank you.
Yeah, you're gonna have to be patient.
Actually, that's an interesting point. How much, in terms of volume, do you actually need to move, let's say, 10 pips a currency in one direction or another?
Oh, holy fuck, that's a lot. I know, like, what it is for, like, 1 point. I think somebody on a forum, that's the only way I know, is like $10 million will move it like 1 point, so a tenth of a pip. Like,
yeah, but only if you're lucky and only pre-Sydney.
Yeah,
Ooh, your purple just disappeared again.
Actually, dollar yen doesn't look so bad. But yeah, it doesn't look so good either. This is pretty much gambling what I'm doing right now.
Can't wait for the webinar.
When is the webinar?
7 hours or so?
Oh shit.
Something like that.
Oh wait, I probably will. Is that like 2 in the morning or something? 2:30? 2:33 my time? Hey, post the link, man, so I can I tried something with some kind of email, man, disposable email that didn't work out.
Here, I can send it to you, Fish.
Yeah, send it.
Cool.
Just send it to the... Holy shit, what have you written?
What?
I just clicked on your Forex and then it says... Jesus is Lord. What the fuck?
No, I already saw that. Oh, live in 8 hours. Okay.
I'm quoting the Kanye album that came out just to be a meme.
Okay.
Criminy, dude. Did you know that Snoop did an album too? A gospel album too?
Oh shit.
Snoop Dogg? Yeah, man. Shit's turning crazy. Yeah, it just came out, man.
But yeah, no, Jesus is Lord, okay? And now your whole stream
No,
knows it.
Jesus is Lord.
Jesus?
Jesus.
The Bible according to...
Jesus.
You know he's got his own Bible, right? Where he replaces God's name with Yeezy and Kanye.
No, I actually didn't listen to the album.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm just a poser.
I just look at the pictures and laugh.
I don't believe what he's doing. I think it's all bullshit.
It is, dude. It's a scam, dude. He's an egomaniac, dude.
Oh, this is gonna go so down.
He's a complete nut job, bro.
My order didn't fail.
They all are.
The fuck?
Oh yeah. I'm gonna get the best buy.
Oh yeah, this looks really bad on the 15 minute. There's a lot of rejection. This is gonna go down.
I might wait a bit longer.
$20.
Man.
I'll just, nah.
Gold.
Just look on a 15 minute. This looks terrible.
Yeah. If this, yeah, that, yeah.
That's a lot of rejection.
Oh. Yeah, your purple recording button went away again. Oh well.
Fuck it.
Something's wrong, but
Maybe I have to authorize on my Mac too. Connected your Twitch account to Discord. I think this had something to do with the custom status. Oh wait, applications, game activity, off. There we go. And there is RCN going to shit,
Swing.
just like
Yeah,
Exo
nice.
said so. Oh, this is gonna hurt.
Yeah.
Don't forget who you are, is it worth it or not? It will never ever last.
Exo told us.
So looking at the S&P here, they're saying a Bank of Japan rate cuts hurting Japanese bank earnings.
Yeah, I can see it. Say something I don't know.
Gold.
I could turn the hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake, you need to know, just let him go. Just let him go. Just let him go.
Oh, maybe there's a... now I'm too heavy already. Gonna scale in one more time and then hedge.
Deep inside in your heart, you still hope that he cares. You've been waiting up all night. And tell me, why do you think he's not there with you now? Been right there by your side.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Alright, better? Oh, the yen pairs look terrible. I'm definitely on the wrong side of this train.
Hands of time, turn it back just to see you smile. Here's your big mistake, you need to know, just let him go.
-3 already and I'm averaging -2.6 or whatever. Give it another pip, then I buy one more.
Order pending.
Oops. Well, maybe that moves my average price too high. Nasdaq looks terrible too.
Order filled. Nasdaq.
Oh, this is gonna hurt.
So looking to Hong Kong now, and the leader Carrie Lam holding a press conference that the government expects negative economic growth for the full year of 2019.
Come on, Aussie dollar, save my ass. The yens are probably not gonna do it.
Aussie dollar.
Nice reverb test on the Aussie dollar, so we are short. But hope dies last. Technically I should hedge here. It went below, it's right now testing the reverb from below. It made a lower low too. That's a short setup now.
Gold.
Like I said, it's a short setup now.
I can feel my body cold against the concrete, but I can't seem to get enough. My mind is fixed on what it wants. I just let you beat me. Looks can be deceiving. Let you get the best of me in bed with my worst enemy. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me home. This is a no-go. I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone. Back up and get me. So put your hand.
And the Nikkei went below. Now it's gonna go to shit for sure. I'm being locked out everywhere. What the hell is going on?
Treat you like you're heaven. Thought that I knew better. Keep falling for your innocence, acting like you're into me. I know this is hopeless, moving in slow motion, trying to control my thoughts, but I can't stop our body talk. This is a no-go, I just can't take hold. This is a danger zone, back up and get me home. This is a no-go.
Come on, Aussie dollar, save my ass.
This is a danger zone, back up and get me. So put your hand in mine.
Aussie dollar.
Let me waste your time.
Guess not.
Do some stupid shit.
This looks... Oh, I'm just talking to myself. It's gonna go down. XO is right. This is gonna be a correction first. I was just deceived by the new high it made. Well, it's still on the to-do list, the target I have, but it's probably gonna take some time.
Well, for Carrie Lam announcing that the government will be launching more measures to stimulate the economy when the unrest does settle.
Unless the Australian dollar saves my ass, but I'm not so sure this is actually gonna happen.
You gotta listen up, listen up. There's not a thing that I can get from you. Boy, I don't need that much, need that much. How can I tell you what I wanna do? I never needed you to give me things. I never needed gifts or diamond rings. All I
Aussie dollar.
Yeah, I have one more buy limit a little bit down. That's filled, that's gonna move my average. So I'm gonna get hedged earlier. I mean, if it's bitching around like that, there's very little point of holding it. The only thing that can save it is the Australian dollar, actually. And there's still the VWAP in the way. Is today something economic-wise? Not in Asia. 29, nothing. Oh, the Aussie dollar just went green. RBA speech in 5 hours, 5-ish hours, 4-ish hours. I'm not gonna hold this straight for 4 hours. Why is that in 4 hours? Everybody's sleeping back then, that time. What time is it now in Australia? Oh yeah, pound dollar is a bitch.
It's 1 p.m. in Australia.
Yeah, and in 4 hours there is a governor's speech. What the fuck? That's like 5 minutes before they close up.
Yeah, that's shady as hell.
So he's gonna make his speech, and while he talks, he's just gonna close the exchange. Yeah, well, the Germans do that too, and the Americans. Maybe it's on purpose, so there's no mass selling shit going on. Yeah, that looks kinda bearish. I should just hedge it now at like $20 loss.
Aussie dollar.
Well, you can use the C-Trader web interface as example. Or if you use XBT, they have a Mac version. MetaTrader has some wine Mac nonsense. Oh yeah, XBT, I wanted to check that out. What is it called? X-Trade.
N.
That's C-Trader. No, that's not what I meant. X-Trade. Shit, I forgot the right. Oh, X-Station.
Aussie yen.
I checked it out like years ago and it was terrible. But it seems to have a new version now. Two versions. Okay. That looks kinda cute. It's like a sink or swim knockoff or something like that. indicators or whatever. Template is actually pretty slick.
Dollar index.
I never used it before. I used it years back, the version 3, and this was just terrible. This is version 5 now. This looks pretty nice. So I have no experience. And they supposedly have a Mac application.
Announcement here from the Chinese Commerce Ministry that Chinese President Xi Jinping will be attending China's import fair in Shanghai. It will be taking place on November 5th.
I'm back. I'm back in the
Fucking pop-ups all. Oh. This is already a reason to just leave. If they're like, you're on the page for 7 seconds and you have already 90 pop-ups.
Sheesh.
Okay, I'm just a drama queen.
You're exaggerating.
Where's the damn downloads? Maybe I have to log on. Client office. You need to open a real account. Oh, fuck off. I just signed up yesterday, like, half asleep for a demo. After I found out they have a new version. But where can I download it? Open an account. Oh, I hate it if the websites are so complicated.
Oh hey, you're purple on Discord for me.
Oh, it looks like they have only a web app. Oh, no, here, downloads. 32-bit, 64-bit, Mac. There we go.
I like how shittily they advertise the window and Mac kind of thing. But they'll show the web and mobile app really big.
Yeah, and you already know it's a bucket shop. Same like Robin Hood. No fee trading. Yeah. Mobile only. Fuck off.
Thank God for TradingView for those people.
Damn, Mario, you're the only one that's not mining. Thank God for trading.
Mining?
My phone is always in flight mode. What's the name of the app again? I found it.
Oh wait, there's one other person too, Augustus.
What's the name of the app again?
Hi.
There we go. This is just a web app.
That's it. Yeah, it's off of what do you call it? Google App Store. Yeah, it doesn't drain your phone or anything.
Yeah, this is just a web app. But it's nicely made. I mean, I cannot complain.
Or are you talking about something else?
Yeah, I'm just about a trading platform. Okay, let's just install it on the Mac. Oh, there we are. Download. I just downloaded, right? Where is it? Ah, it's still syncing.
Okay, I need another trade. Who's got something? EXO, give me something to trade.
EXO said short the yen pairs. And he's probably right.
I'm supposed to take your word for it. Short yen pairs, okay. No, can't do it yet. Can't do it yet. Okay, I need fuel. I'll be back in a while, guys. I gotta find something to eat, man.
Yeah, same.
Excuses.
Gotta go hunt something down. Hunt down some food. I just don't know what to eat.
Pellets. I already forgot their name. What were they called again?
Hold on.
Pine pellets?
Hold on, I'm gonna get a link for you, bro. Yeah, pine pellets.
Okay.
What did you send me something just a minute ago?
I was just sending the thing that Fish was gonna send you because he sent it to me.
Oh, okay, I got it. Hold on 1 second.
Alright, Butter. You there?
Okay, I'm gonna send you the crazy lady.
Oh, okay. Thanks.
She's the cat lady.
But yeah, alright, I'm gonna drop out now, but yeah. Alright, cool.
Maybe I just take profit here. I'm not feeling very good about this trade at all. Maybe it's just me. Oh, I just see my profit loss display is wrong. I haven't made any trades today. I haven't. No. Oh, it also doesn't show my limit. What the hell? Something is wrong here.
Euro yen.
Template, helper. There's the limit. Oh, 972.
Euro yen.
9760. Yeah, that's it. Alright. That's better. The Nikkei doesn't really want to... Yeah, maybe I'm just taking profit here. This is mid-range. But all the yen pairs are down. This doesn't make me feel very confident. Just mapping out some horizontal level. Oh, this is the same high here too. Yeah. This one is not so significant. Let's make one more.
Euro yen.
You know what? I'm just gonna trail from here. There's the high. Like I said, I don't feel very confident. Nikkei is still going down. Dollar yen is going down. Pound yen almost at the VWAP.
So are you happy now? Things just got so crazy from a simple maybe.
Like I say, it's not about confidence. Trade what you see, and what I'm seeing is a buy position.
So heavy without
I'm gonna trail it anyway.
pretty, pretty enough to almost
Probably a mistake.
still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone. Nothing left to prove, yeah, I'm dancing till my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with
you. Start filled.
Oh. Well, right at my resistance line. That was pure coincidence.
through the cold street.
Oh, there we are.
Used to hold me. You know it's been no
Better than nothing, I guess.
oh baby.
Of course, now it's gonna go right to my target here.
Pretty, pretty enough to almost make me blind. Still denying everything you told me. I'll repeat it in my mind. All our memories goes on, flashing up like disco lights on and on. The dance floor where I met you, I dance all alone.
There she goes.
Nothing left to prove.
Oh, I hate myself.
Ground, wishing I still dance with
Oh, sorry, I haven't abandoned the idea. For some reason, the Google Drive doesn't sync the download. About Mac application.
I wanted to, I wanted to, I wanted to,
Yeah, this is very strange. I'm just gonna download it again on the Mac.
wanted to dance until my feet can feel the ground. Wishing I still dance with you, you. Wishing I would dance with you, you. That I would dance with you, you. That I would dance until my feet can feel the ground.
Come on, download a little bit faster. 80 megabyte. 80 megabyte for a web app? Seriously? Alright, opening. X Station 5. Copy to applications folder. Do it! Oh, I use CTrader Web 2 on my Mac. It's pretty nice. But this kind of scalping trades you cannot really do on a web app. Plus, you don't have the VWAP. Alright, where is it? Applications. X Station 5. X Station 5 is an application downloaded from the internet. Are you sure you wanna open it?
Bitcoin.
Yeah, it looks like it's a web app, but it is pretty sophisticated, I might add. It looks like they don't sync profile, like Trader does. Like on CTrader I can have a simple list or whatever on my desktop application and it's gonna sync it to the web.
Cancelled.
But I have to say, this looks very sophisticated. Objects and indicators. So now how do I get the indicators there? Well, let's just do it on the... Just do it here on the Windows computer and you guys can see it. Your connection status is average. Okay. Candlestick, I can share. Oh, it's pretty nice. Well, the charting engine is pretty fast for, and this is short. It's not 100% a web app as such. Sessions, templates, visible layers. I have no clue how to get that indicator there. Add an indicator. VWAP. Fuck you. Why I'm not surprised? Okay, choice over, no VWAP. But while we at it, let's just compare. What is it? RCN. RCN. Okay, that's kinda... Open chart. And one. Ask price. Okay, let's go here to 1 minute. Naked. And 1 minute. Alright, where is it? Okay, then look at the spread. Holy shit. 653, 606. 653 minus 606. 4.7. Okay, that just lost its appeal dramatically. I have 4.7 spread on AUDJPY. 4.5. Oh, it's nice. Looks almost like Sea Trader. It's kind of cute. Somebody see the competition. Ta-da. Trader. X Station looks almost as... It's cute. But at least they're trying. But there is a major difference, and this is I have 0.2 pips on Sea Trader and 4.5 pips on X Station. I guess that's a deal breaker, unless you're a swing trader. Let's check some indices. European DAX. Okay, let's be fair. Check something that's actually trading cash. Where is it? Asia. Okay, there it is.
Time to
991-967. 991-967. 24 pips, that's correct, yeah, it shows here. And I have 6. Double the spread. But I gotta say, the platform, the software looks pretty cool. I mean, it's very responsive, not like the usual web apps. So if you're a swing trader, this is pretty, looks pretty nice. Do I have margin? Let's just buy something. Limit order. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Stop loss. Yeah, great. If I move the order, the stop moves too. I don't know why people do that. This makes no sense.
Euro yen.
Somebody is using too much Sea Trader here. This is almost the same like Sea Trader. Like if I put an order here, buy limit.
Order pending.
It's just the same.
Euro order cancelled.
And if I enable the notifications.
Order pending.
Just the same.
Order cancelled.
Not enough money. Oh shit. There we go. Well, I like the app. If you're swing traders. Anyway, charting. Let's have a look at charting. Trend line. Okay, trend lines don't snap to prices. That's a bit. Just switch the time. That's pretty good. I like it. It's always show a stop loss even if there is none, or maybe there is one. No, it's no stop loss. Ah, enough playing.
Euro yen.
Extra about the short, my original target is a bit higher. It's 74744. Of course there's R1 in the way and some horizontals I just draw like a few minutes ago. Just switch the time frame. Yeah, this is the previous high, it's the 74744. It's not exactly, but this. Yeah, but I'm afraid it's maybe gonna push higher. There are 3 more levels. One is broken now, one is touched. Actually, that touched it perfectly. Yeah, that's true. I agree with that. I just don't know if it's gonna go another 11 higher. Because this is kinda significant, 74744. Where is it? Where is it? I had a reason for this level and this was not just a high. Here we are. Yeah, here is it. This is June. There is a lot of highs at this level. 74744. This is also the. Oops, I just moved the wave up. This is also the high, the recent. Not. It's actually spiked a little bit over, but yeah. So just make that yellow. So if I wanna short it now, I would need to have like a 11 pip stop. It's actually more. 12.7. And if we are being conservative and take the previous high, then it's like 19. But I agree, that's gonna be still a pretty good risk reward. I mean, we're talking like 279 initial move. This is probably gonna go lower. Oh no, so sorry, my bad. Surprise to trend lines. $148. 19 pips is still good. 1 to 10 trade.
hearing more now from the Chinese Ministry of Commerce, welcoming more US companies to come to the CIIE conference.
Ah, but the X station thing, I have it here on my Mac running too. And this is, I mean, I'm just looking at prices basically, but it looks pretty nice. But the deals are not so good. It's not very cheap to trade, let's put it that way. And there's no
According to
VWAP,
the Chinese
but
Ministry
the
of Commerce,
charting
there
is
will be
pretty solid.
192 US firms attending the conference, up 18% from the previous year.
This one thing I don't like is you cannot move the charts horizontally, vertically. What I'm talking, I mean horizontally, you cannot move it up and down. Like, it's just like in MetaTrader, this is so annoying. C-Trader, I can just move the chart. And in this app, in X-Trade, you cannot do that. Just like in MetaTrader, you can't do that either. Press the shift key to magnet. Oh, that's how zapping works. Oh, nice. You press the shift key and then it actually snaps to the prices. That is very neat. Starting to like this app. Yeah, there's probably a lot of other more secret stuff we have to discover here. It shows P&L in percentage. That is also really nice. Oh wait, this makes no sense. I bought the Nikkei 1 micro lot and it showed minus 2%. And I bought 24 lots of pound yen yesterday with a $6,000 loss and it showed minus 6%. And now which one is it? Net P&L percentage. Net profit margin ratio. Oh, okay, never mind. Maybe this can be changed. Because this is just nonsense. So having a $2 loss is a 2% loss, and having a $6,000 loss is a 6% loss. What the fuck? That makes no sense. It also makes no sense based on margin.
Tell me you love me. Don't let go. Tell me a secret. Let me know. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile, you'll begin me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. We got up and we saw the horizon. With a smile, you'll begin me to follow. In a second, all this could be over. But for now, you're my four-leaf clover. Tell me you love me. It's getting late now. Everyone's leaving. So you call me up like every other evening. Same old when you need me. Kiss me just like before. I am lost now completely. Stuck in your games and you're winning easily. Here we go again. Just like a flashback, feels the same when you hold me now. Like every time I fall fast, I'm fragile when you come round. I'm back where we started, and we caught it. I can't let go, and you know it's all the
Make the booty bounce on the dance floor. Make the booty bounce on the dance floor.
Cable. Euro yen. Euro yen. Dollar yen. Dollar index. Dollar yen.
shotgun. The feeling we chase, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive.
Euro yen.
I'm just gonna drive, drive. Wherever we go, we're taking control. The future is ours now. The road never ends. It's me and my friends. These are the good times. And I'm feeling like I could go on forever. And I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. The feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy, making me crazy.
Dollar yen.
I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive. I'm just gonna drive, drive, drive.
A couple hundred miles away, denying that something has changed. You're blaming me too complicated, but I will never stay the same. So I will drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive
Gold.
and drive and drive and drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind.
Dollar yen. Euro yen.
What's on our mind? Too much money spent on fuel, beating heartache on the move. Sometimes I just wish we knew, hey, how to call up without losing. But I drive and drive and drive and drive, baby, just so I can make it through the night. Yeah, I will drive and drive and drive and
Gold.
drive, so we can try to make it simple. Try to talk about what's on our mind.
dollar yen, dollar yen,
Was it just us for fun? I'm trying to make it. Was this real or not? My head just can't take it. I've got a feeling we belong together. Doesn't matter, things can just get better. Can you join me so the night gets crazy? We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. We'll be dancing in the
gold,
moonlight, baby. We'll be dancing in the moonlight, baby. Was it just us for fun? I'm trying to make it.
dollar yen,
Was this real or not? My head just can't take it.
euro yen,
I've got a feeling we belong together.
Comments here from the New Zealand Treasury saying they risk the S&P could remove positive rating outlook. So again, the New Zealand Treasury advice to the Finance Minister obtained by a piece here in Bloomberg. S&P saying the weaker economic outlook is a downside risk for the budget, while rating outlook change wouldn't hurt borrowing costs.
Aussie dollar.
Tell me your story. Tell me what made you change your mind. Oh, yeah. How you move forward and still go again.
Aussie dollar.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Who did you make? Who made you strong? Yeah. Did you get help when that was rough? Yeah. Tell me your story. How did you make your dreams come true? You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old. When I grow old. Yeah. When I grow old. When I grow old. Tell me your story. How did you find your peace alive? Yeah. Oh yeah. Who made your heart smile and made you lose a track of time? Yeah. Do you think I know by your side all day and night? Someone to care about and do you right. You still wrote your story when nobody believed in you. Yeah. You're so strong. I wanna be strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. 'Cause you're so strong. I wanna be so strong. I wanna be just like you. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old. When I grow old. When I grow old. When I grow When I grow old. When I grow old. I wanna be just like you. When I grow old.
Dollar yen. Gold.
Stock filled.
She's a roller coaster. Oh, she's so flirty. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no.
Oh, stop that.
I won't try to stop her.
Oh, whatever.
She can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her. I fall and try again. Get up and try. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again. Love the way we are together. I think we always stay this way. And I wanna build my whole world with you and no one ever. And our love will make us so much better. And there will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try, I give you what you want. Girl, I'll take it where you go blind. You say that I'm just wasting my time. You say I'm too hard to handle and full of doubts. Say that I should give you up, 'cause someone better, but baby, you're not. Giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up. Get up and try, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no, oh yeah, giving you up, no, no, I ain't giving you up, no. She's a roller coaster, oh she's so flirty. I'm burning up inside, but I can feel no pain. I won't try to stop her, she can't be tamed. I'm so in love with her, I fall and try again. Get up and try again. Get up and try again.
Gold.
Get up and try again.
extra geopolitical news here and looking to the Hong Kong scenario here. With South China Morning Post with a sources piece that pro-democracy activist Joshua Wong Chi-feng was on Tuesday banned from running in the upcoming district council elections after the electoral council refused to believe in his stated political allegiance to mainland China.
This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better. I almost feel it when you smile. I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy. Here's my cup, fill it right up. I'll never stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop, I'll never stop, 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 stop. This is how we do this. In one way, I'm yours. In one way, we're strangers. But I know for sure we got something in common that I know you won't. But we're so different. I speak Swedish, you don't. I sit right down and write a letter, but Frankie said it better. I almost feel it when you smile. I'll take my time, I want you but I'm shy.
Alright, I'm gonna call it a day.
I'll never stop,
Too bad it's gonna stop that because I'm thinking this is gonna get back up there.
I'll never stop,
But have a webinar later.
stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Oh, where is it?
Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop. Stop. I'll never stop, 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 stop.
Right. Yeah, in about 5 hours there's a Q&A kind of thing about the charting and the trading and scaling and stuff like that. Feel free to hop in, it's totally free. And yeah, talk in the chat room.